बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम फ्रेंड्स, उम्मीद करते हैं कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। फ्रेंड्स, आज के सेशन में हम डिस्कस करेंगे ALM फॉर पावर एप्स, पावर ऑटोमेट, पावर वर्चुअल एजेंट्स एंड डेटावर्स। वीडियो की तरफ बढ़ने से पहले हमारी आपसे रिक्वेस्ट है कि हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दें। चलिए आज के सेशन की तरफ बढ़ते हैं। डेटावर्स इज माइक्रोसॉफ्ट पावर प्लेटफॉर्म लेट्स यू securely store and manage data and processes that's used by the business applications. To use the Power Platform features and tools available to manage the ALM, all environments that participate in ALM must include a Dataverse database. The following concepts are important for the understanding ALM using the Microsoft Power Platform. Solutions are the mechanism for implementing ALM. You use them to distribute the components across the environments through the export and import. A component represents an artifact used in your applications and something that you can potentially customize. Anything that can be included in a solution is a component, such as tablets, columns, canvas, and model-driven apps, Power Automate flows, chatbots, charts, and plugins. Dataverse stores all the artifacts, including the solutions. Source control should be your source of the truth for storing and collaborating on your components. Continuous integrations and the continuous delivery platforms such as Azure DevOps that allows you to automate your build, test, and deployment pipeline. For more information about how ALM and Azure DevOps technologies combined with the people and processes enable them to continually provide value to customers, see DevOps tools on Azure. Here is recommended text. Application Lifecycle Management Basis with Microsoft Power Platform PowerPoint. This article describes the components, tools, and the processes needed to implement the application lifecycles management. Here is environments. Environments are the space to store, manage, and share your organization's business data apps and business processes. They also serve as the containers to separate apps that might have different roles, security requirements, or the target audience. Each environment can have only one Microsoft Dataverse database. More information is types of the environment used in ALM. Using the Power Platform Admin Center, you can create these types of the Power Platform environments. Sandbox. A sandbox environment is any non-production environment of the Dataverse isolated from production. A sandbox environment is the place of the safely develop and test applications changes with a low risk. Sandbox environments include the capabilities that would be harmful in a production environment, such as reset, delete, and copy operations. More informations are managed sandbox environments. Number two, production. The environment where the apps and other software are put into the operations for their intended use. Developers, formerly called community. The Power Apps Developers plans gives you access to Power Apps premium functionality, Dataverse, and the Power Automate for individual use. This plan is primarily meant by build and test the Power Apps. Power Automate and Microsoft Dataverse for learning purposes. A developer environment is a single use user environment and cannot be used to run or share the production apps. Next one is default. A single default environment is automatically created for each tenant and shared by all users in that tenant. The tenant identities the customer that can have one or more Microsoft subscriptions and services associated with it. Whenever a new user signs up for Power Apps, they are automatically added to the marker role of the default environment. The default environment is created in the closer region to the default region of the Azure Active Directory tenant and is named Azure ID tenant name default. Create and use the correct environment for a specific purpose such as development, test, or production. Who should have access? Define and manage the security of your resources and data in Microsoft Dataverse. Microsoft Power Platform provides the environment level admin roles to perform the task. Dataverse includes the security roles that define the levels of the access to apps, app component and resources, apps, markers and users have within डेटावर्स। सो फ्रेंड्स, ये था हमारा आज का सेशन। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अपना ख्याल रखिएगा, हमें दीजिए इजाज़त। अल्लाह हाफिज़।